everyone, and welcome back to UZEX News on UzReport TV channel. Today in our edition, you can get acquainted with the latest exchange news as well as with the exchange market of mineral fertilizers since the beginning of the current year. At the beginning of our program, we traditionally offer you the results of trades on all trading platforms of UZEX market and definitely the price dynamics of the top commodity positions. These were the main indicators of UZEX exchange over the past week. Now let's dwell onto the latest exchange news. In accordance with the resolution of the Cabinet of Ministers of the Republic of Uzbekistan number 621, October 2nd, 2024, a new electronic trading platform, agro.uzex.uz, is operating on Uzbek Commodity Exchange. This trading platform is designed for the sale of agricultural products grown by farmers and local farm enterprises at a free market price. Trading in this exchange trading system is carried out in a competitive, non-competitive form or in the price request mode. To participate in the trading, it is enough to register online and make a deposit to the personal account at the exchange clearing house. We're moving to a separate segment of the UZEX exchange trade platform. Let's consider the mineral fertilizers exchange market since January to March of the current year. Over the period under review, over 500,000 tons of mineral fertilizers were sold through exchange trading, which is 50% more than in the same period last year. The average monthly sales volume for the period under review was 171,000 tons. At the same time, there is a stable product performing at UZEX platform. If in the month of January the sales volume was 134.9 thousand tons, as we can see on the screen, later in the month of March the trading volume exceeded 200,000 tons, as we can see on the screen as well. Let's consider the structure of mineral fertilizer sales through the exchange, and the largest volume of mineral fertilizer sales is ammonium nitrate, as we can see on the screen, the share of which is 50%, and it takes the lion's share in the segment of mineral fertilizers at the Uzbek Commodity Exchange. The second position here is taken by ammonium sulfate, which goes with 14% at the UZEX exchange trade platform. And the third top leadership position here is taken by two commodity assets. These are going with amaphos and carbamide. Both of them are going 12% each in the segment of mineral fertilizers. But it's worth to mention about potassium chloride, which goes with 10%, and it's worth to mention that the share of other types of fertilizers is below 1%. So let's go look more properly to the next diagram for today, and this is going to be one of the most demandable commodity assets, which is ammonium nitrate at the UZEX exchange trade platform. In the mineral fertilizer market, the prices of the sales leaders ammonium nitrate are declining declining. In the months of January to March, prices fell from 3 million sums per ton, as we can see on the screen, down to its almost minimum price indicator, which is 2.7 million sums per ton, or by 7%, which is on one hand definitely due to the active position of the factory producers, and they're performing into the UZEX exchange trade platform ammonium nitrate, which made the price formation in a quite positive way for the traders working in this segment. But on the other hand, the seasonal factor plays a key role in the price formation. So let's go to the next diagram for today, another demandable segment, which is carbamide, and the market of carbamide is quite stable, as we can see on the screen. From the months of January to March, the prices were in the range of 3.6, 3.7. So the minimum was in the months of January 3.6, and almost later it went up in the months of February up to 3.7 million sums per ton, which is definitely quite positive news for the traders and consumers operating in this segment. Afterwards, at the end of February, beginning of March, the price went down to 3.6 million sums per ton. So let's go to the regional consumption in the next diagram, and in the terms of the structure of mineral fertilizers acquisition, it should be noted that the market shows a relatively even distribution of fertilizers across regions. There is no absolute leader in terms of the consumption level at UZEX platform. However, some regions can be identified whose share is slightly higher. For instance, the share of Samarkand region is 13%, as we can see on the screen. Definitely it's worth to mention about Navoi region, which goes with 11.6% on consuming mineral fertilizers at the UZEX exchange trade platform, and Fergana region goes with almost the same 12% on consuming mineral fertilizers. And the share of the Kashkaria region is 11%, and it takes almost the third top leadership position on consuming mineral fertilizers at the UZEX exchange trade platform. These were all commands for today. Thank you for watching us and being with us. Do join us next week on UzReport TV channel, and definitely visit our website at www.uzex.uz. See you next week. Bye.